Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a video black and white with one color accent in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it is done. To begin, go to the Color tab and on the left side, select the RGB Mixer control. In the RGB Mixer, check the monochrome box to turn the video black and white. You can adjust the look of the black and white by tweaking the individual color sliders, but I will leave mine as is. Next, make sure your node is selected at the top. Then use the Alt plus L keyboard shortcut to add a layer mixer to your node. Now select the bottom node. Go to the qualifier control, the dropper icon, and in the selection range area, choose the first dropper option. Then click on the color you want to isolate in the preview window. To expand the color selection, use the plus dropper. You can click on a specific area or drag across the color to select a wider range. However, be careful when dragging as it can select unwanted areas, like the tree in my shot. If that happens, use Ctrl plus Z to undo the change. I am not noticing that the dark areas are causing problems, since they are similar shade to the tree. For tricky areas like this, I recommend using the plus feather tool, which works better at covering sensitive areas without pulling in unwanted parts of the video. After using the filler tool, I will switch back to the plus dropper to refine the edges and ensure I have selected all the red. And that is everything you need to know about how to make a video black and white with a one color accent in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.